All right, you guys, let's jump right into it. This hair was so pretty, y'all. Look how pretty that hairline is. I didn't have to tweeze it whatsoever. It came just like this. All I did was bleach the knots. Let's cut the lace. I'm just cutting in a zigzag motion. This is going to give you the most natural looking appearance, so it's not going to be straight across or harsh. Do y'all see? This is giving scalp realness, y'all. I'm just so impressed with this wig because it is laid without hardly having to do anything. So I just chose to use a hairspray so that I could just remove it at night. But you could wear this wig completely glueless if you wanted to. I just like a little extra hold because I like to feel extra secure, you know? And I just went ahead and hit the roof so my wig could be flat. Y'all see that? This wig is laid, honey. So I'm just going to hit it with a little bit of water and a little bit of mousse so y'all can see how popping these curls are. I was just so impressed with this whole wig, the curl pattern, the lace, the everything, the hairline, the everything, okay? Then I like to just scrunch the mousse in to get those curls popping. Then I went in with the diffuser just so y'all could see how the hair looks a little bit bigger with a little bit more volume. But look how pretty and shiny and soft and bouncy this hair is, you guys. Like, I literally didn't hardly have to do anything. This is easy for beginners. So this is pretty much the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed and I thank you for watching.